अनुराग ने जो कहा था वो ये कहा था कि आपको 5 फिल्में लग जाएंगी वो अचीव करने के लिए जो एक स्टार किड अपनी पहली हिट फिल्म से अचीव कर लेगा। इंडस्ट्री में बॉक्स ऑफिस के हिसाब से आपको पेमेंट मिलता है। लोग मुझसे पूछते थे आपने गाउन क्यों पहना है, आप साड़ी पहन लेती। नाउ आई जस्ट टेक इट माय स्टाइल, आई एम लाइक सॉरी, आपकी शादी होगी तो पहन लूंगी साड़ी।
Hi Richa, welcome to our show. Such a pleasure to have you again.
Thank you.
So your film Masaan is a toast of town. Everyone's watching it, loving it. You've got rave reviews. लेकिन एक टाइम ऐसा भी था जब लोगों ने आपसे कहा था कि आपको नहीं करनी चाहिए फिल्म.
Yeah.
Because काफी low budget फिल्म थी.
हाँ.
तो tell us about then and now.
Where they're eating their words actually. Because what happens is lots of people they think it low budget film है, arty है, makeup नहीं होगा, songs नहीं होंगे, shows कैसे मिलेंगे. They only think of revenue and commerce, you know.
Yeah.
And I approach films very differently. So I really believed in the script. That's why I went ahead with it.
It won awards at the Cannes, standing ovation.
Yes.
वो feeling कैसा रहा?
Actually, when we got selected, हमने तो तभी party कर ली थी. We went, all met in the Phantom office, and we had like this lovely cake, and you know.
That was already a victory.
Yeah, we were already thrilled that we made it that far. Then when we won the standing ovation, we were like, okay, you know. And 5 minutes तक चलता रहा. Me and my director, we just started crying. And after that, to win those 2 awards, it just seems like a dream.
So you went to Cannes few years ago too, right?
Yeah.
It was for Gangs of Wasseypur.
Yeah.
So तब में और अब में क्या फर्क है in the Richa Chadha that we see?
That time I was unsure about myself. I think I was very new, gullible, naive almost, you know. So उस time पे I didn't know how to handle the limelight or I wasn't comfortable in my own skin. इस बार ही जब मैं गई तो I really felt like a woman, you know, not like a little girl.
Somewhere in an interview, Anurag Kashyap ने कहा था कि what you will do in 5 films, Star Kid can probably do in 1 film.
Yeah.
लेकिन उनका ये मानना नहीं है because Star Kids always say that उनका struggle आप जैसा ही है. The only difference उनका entry point होता है ना आपका, लेकिन वो entry point takes a while.
अनुराग ने जो कहा था वो ये कहा था कि आपको 5 फिल्में लग जाएंगी वो अचीव करने के लिए जो एक स्टार किड अपनी पहली हिट फिल्म से अचीव कर लेगा. And I agree with that. I'll tell you why. Gangs के बाद मुझे सारी आर्टी उस तरह की फिल्में in that zone मिली. स्टार किड्स का भी स्ट्रगल होता है, उनका स्ट्रगल अलग लेवल का होता है. फिर उनको वो 100 crore फिल्म्स में एंट्री मिल जाती है, उसमें उनको बॉक्स ऑफिस और स्टाइलिंग वगैरह वगैरह. वी एक्चुअली लिटरली हैव नोबडी. इट्स लाइक जस्ट टेकिंग अ लीप ऑफ फेथ, यू नो. आपको एडवाइजर्स नहीं होते, मेंटर्स नहीं होते, इतने लोग नहीं एडवाइस होते. वो होते जो बोलते हैं यार इस पार्टी में जाओ, ये पहनो, इससे बात करो, इससे बात मत करो. तो आई थिंक स्टार किड्स डेफिनेटली डू हैव एन एडवांटेज, बट not to take away from their hard work.
Also, do you sometimes think that Bollywood focuses a lot on like actor का रोल कितना है, how many minutes of screen time, ये lead है कि supporting है?
ये terminology Bollywood की ही है. D-glam, second lead, parallel lead, and it's come from the media actually. So I don't pay attention because वो मुझे नहीं लगता उनको पता है वो क्या बोल रहे हैं. वो बस बोल रहे हैं आपका look D-glam है. Hello, I mean if I'm playing a small town girl जिसको कोई प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, जिसकी लाइफ में कोई मर रहा है या कोई जिंदा रहा है, मैं लिप ग्लॉस लगा के घूमूंगी क्या?
You also done a very commercial film like Ramleela.
Yeah.
So is it a contrast?
रामलीला में मैंने स्क्रिप्ट नहीं पढ़ी थी क्योंकि I just wanted to work with Sanjay sir. I didn't care. जितने scenes थे, they had an impact. It was not like वो कहीं खड़ी है दिया जला रही है. It's not like, yeah. In that sense, I've been lucky because I didn't read the script over there. But I'm saying
that's a lot of confidence in a director, I must say.
The confidence of मैं उनकी fan हूँ तो I mean it's a big thing. I mean I can tell my children मैंने इस भंसाली साहब के साथ काम किया था. It's a big thing.
Very interestingly, you said that you know how Bollywood actors are introduced on the basis of their talent and actors introduced on the basis of you know how gorgeous they look, how lovely they are, and all of that.
मेरे साथ पहले गैंग्स ऑफ वासेपुर के मतलब 2-3 महीने बाद तक मैं भी टैलेंटेड में आती थी, गॉर्जियस में कैटेगरी में नहीं आती थी.
But now I'm sure it's changed that because you walked the red carpet at Cannes, so other introductions different.
The thing is, I was always glamorous. I mean, it's so silly to assume
just because you do a D-glam role.
D-glam. Just because I do a D-glam role and I'm playing mother to Nawaz in the first film, तो लोगों को लगता है कि उसमें glam कम है.
You also said very well about how actresses there shouldn't be a gender bias when it comes to being paid.
I think कि इंडस्ट्री में बॉक्स ऑफिस के हिसाब से आपको पेमेंट मिलता है. लाइक आप कितने लोग ऑडियंस में लेकर आ सकते हैं, उस पे आपको पेमेंट मिलता है और वैसा रहना चाहिए.
But it is kind of changing right, with kind of movies that we are making today.
I'm sure Kangna, Vidya, these people must be paid at par with the men that they are paired with क्योंकि वो लोग उतने ही लोग थिएटर में ला सकते हैं.
What has been the toughest thing for you in this industry space, in this movie space?
Really?
As an actress, yeah.
Be sane and be happy. That is tough. The one thing I hate is the lack of anonymity. कि मैं वो सब चीज़ें उतने freedom से अब नहीं कर सकती जो पहले करती थी.
So life has changed a lot.
Yeah, I mean that is one aspect. Then the stardom thing, जो आपके आसपास advisors, well-wishers की army हो जाती है, that is one aspect. And it's difficult because आपको एक stage के बाद ये नहीं पता चलता आपका दोस्त कौन.
Correct.
किस वजह से.
Absolutely. It's very nice tweet that Pooja Bhatt tweeted about you. The industry doesn't need new people, it needs new eyes. Going to make the experts who dismiss Richa Chadda as unglamorous eat their words.
She's so supportive, so loving. मुझे बहुत खुशी होती है कि उनमें vision है. मुझे इस तरह से देखने का, because you know for the longest time जब मैं कहीं जाती थी बाहर, especially after gangs of Wasipur and all, लोग मुझसे पूछते थे आपने गाउन क्यों पहना है, आप साड़ी पहन लेती टाइप.
Really?
या मतलब मेरा मन करेगा मैं शॉर्ट्स पहनूंगी ना, मतलब how can you tell somebody आप साड़ी क्यों नहीं पहनते. But now I just take it in my stride. I'm like sorry, आपकी शादी होगी तो पहन लूंगी साड़ी.
Oh God, really?
Because it's so annoying otherwise.
There are these strange rumors. I have to ask you this: about you dating a French guy. How true is it? A French actor director. So you have to tell me.
What can I tell you?
No, it's parked off somewhere at the Cannes, right? When you'd gone there.
Not in Cannes. I went to Paris.
Okay.
Masan ke promotions ke
Okay.
दौरान.
So your silence could mean a lot of things, Richa. So I'm going to have my own interpretation of this. But remember, once in my previous interview, you told me that you don't want to really date an actor.
I guess.
Or Indian actor. See,
That Indian actor.
see, you don't date an Indian actor.
Yeah, I didn't want to date.
So Indian actor, French actor, में फर्क क्या है?
The French people generally are really good lovers. They can charm you your socks off. आपको old world fashion में जो romance है ना, गुलाब वाला, पोएट्री वाला, वायलिन वाला, तो आपका दिमाग वैसे ही खराब हो जाता है.
So well, I assume all that is happening in Richa's life right now. Her giggles and her blushing just says it all. That's really sweet reaction, I must say.
Yours a very popular channel. क्या होगा ना, टिकर चल जाएगा कल.
मैं चला दूंगी टिकर. Recently, in fact, I heard that you refused some brand endorsement, no, for a fairness cream.
Yeah. Pride पहले से ही थी. Even in my modeling and struggling days पैसे नहीं होते थे, पर मैं वहाँ जाती नहीं थी उस audition में ही. For that kind of skincare product. Dusky is beautiful और पता नहीं हम ये colonial hangover है, मतलब गोरा और
गोरा चिट्टा types.
Yeah, really.
So what are your next films, Richa? What's the next? I mean,
release?
Yeah,
should be Mayor Charles.
Wow, with Randeep.
Yeah, he's so good.
Yeah,
so sexy.
Yeah,
he's very good.
Yeah, he does a show for Zoom. He's
really?
Yeah, he does a show for Zoom.
अरे वाह.
It's a show called Man Up. Please watch it.
I will.
And he's super sexy in that show.
He's just super sexy everywhere. He's riding a horse. He's sexy. He's giving a shot. He's sexy. He's just sexy everywhere. उसकी shirt उतरवा देना बस.
You know he refuses to do that.
Randeep, please take your shirt off for Zoom.
Thank you so much. We love you, Richa. And on that note, thank you so much. It was lovely chatting with you as always.
Lovely, all giggles and
all
fun.
the best. Thank you so much.